Join me as I dive into the incredible world of SpaceX and challenge myself to explore how they're leading the charge into a new age of space exploration. Today, we're diving into SpaceX's groundbreaking contributions to space exploration and how they're shaping the future of humanity beyond Earth. Despite advancements in technology, the challenge of making space travel affordable and sustainable remains a major hurdle for space exploration. The cost of launching rockets into space is still prohibitively high, and the environmental impact of these launches is significant. Furthermore, the lack of infrastructure in space makes it difficult to sustain long-term missions. These challenges have plagued the industry for decades, and it's clear that a new approach is needed. Space agencies and private companies alike have been trying to find ways to overcome these hurdles, but so far, progress has been slow. That is, until SpaceX came onto the scene. What's become clear is that making space travel affordable and sustainable will require a fundamental shift in how we approach space exploration. It's not just about building better rockets, it's about creating an entirely new ecosystem that supports long-term space travel. This ecosystem will need to include not only reusable rockets, but also advanced life support systems, reliable communication networks, and sustainable infrastructure. It's a daunting task, but one that holds the key to unlocking humanity's true potential in space. For decades, the space industry has been stuck in a rut, relying on outdated technology and inefficient practices. But SpaceX is shaking things up, pushing the boundaries of what's possible and driving innovation in the industry. With its sights set on Mars, SpaceX is developing the technologies that will one day enable humans to live and work on the red planet. It's an ambitious goal, but one that could have a profound impact on humanity's future. Explore how SpaceX's innovations, like reusable rockets and Starship, are addressing these challenges and revolutionizing the industry. SpaceX's reusable rockets are a game-changer, significantly reducing the cost of access to space. By landing and reusing rockets, SpaceX is able to launch payloads into space at a fraction of the cost of traditional rockets. This has opened up new opportunities for satellite operators, space agencies, and even private companies looking to launch their own payloads into space. But SpaceX's innovations don't stop there. The company is also developing Starship, a next-generation spacecraft designed to take humans to the Moon, Mars, and beyond. Starship is a behemoth of a spacecraft, with the capability to carry both people and cargo on long-duration missions. With its advanced life support systems and cutting-edge propulsion technology, Starship is poised to become the workhorse of SpaceX's Mars ambitions. Whether it's ferrying cargo to the Red Planet or carrying astronauts on a mission to the Moon, Starship is the key to unlocking humanity's future in space. By developing reusable rockets and spacecraft like Starship, SpaceX is driving down the cost of access to space and making it possible for humanity to establish a permanent presence beyond Earth. It's an exciting time for space exploration, and SpaceX is at the forefront of the charge. With its sights set on Mars and its innovative technologies, SpaceX is pushing the boundaries of what's possible and driving humanity towards a future among the stars. Highlight the moment when SpaceX achieved the first-ever private crewed mission to the International Space Station, showcasing their capabilities. On a sunny day in May 2020, SpaceX made history by launching the first-ever private crewed mission to the International Space Station. The Crew Dragon spacecraft, perched atop a Falcon 9 rocket, blasted off from Kennedy Space Center, carrying 2 NASA astronauts on a mission to the orbiting outpost. The launch marked a major milestone for SpaceX, demonstrating its capability to launch humans into space safely and reliably. The mission was a resounding success, with the Crew Dragon spacecraft performing flawlessly throughout the journey. The astronauts, Bob Behnken and Doug Hurley, were successfully delivered to the International Space Station, where they spent several weeks conducting scientific research and testing the spacecraft systems. The mission was a testament to SpaceX's capabilities, showcasing its ability to design, build, and launch complex spacecraft capable of carrying humans into space. The launch marked a major shift in the space industry, demonstrating that private companies could achieve what was once the exclusive domain of governments. It also marked a major step forward for SpaceX, which had spent years developing its crewed spacecraft capabilities. With the success of the Crew Dragon mission, SpaceX had proven that it was capable of launching humans into space safely and reliably, paving the way for future missions to the Moon, Mars, and beyond. The implications of SpaceX's achievement are far-reaching, opening up new opportunities for space travel and exploration. With private companies like SpaceX leading the charge, the cost of access to space is likely to continue to decline, making it possible for more people to experience the thrill of space travel. Whether it's flying to the International Space Station or embarking on a mission to Mars, SpaceX is leading the way, pushing the boundaries of what's possible and driving humanity towards a future among the stars. In summary, SpaceX is not just leading the charge, they're redefining what is possible in space exploration and opening doors for future generations. If you enjoyed this video, check out our next one on the future of space tourism and let us know your thoughts in the comments below.